What is research? Research is a planned investigation carried out in an organised and systematic way. It produces information called data which, when analysed, tells us things we did not know or were unsure about before. When applied to practice, this new understanding may influence what we do. We need to ask questions at the start of the investigation, collect data, then use it to answer the questions, connect the investigation to what is already known, look carefully and critically at our data to see if it is trustworthy, and present what we find in clear, precise and persuasive ways. Research is also part of educators' reflective practice, thinking hard about what you do, assessing its value, and working out how things might be done better. Researchers work with different sets of beliefs called paradigms. Paradigms are the conscious and subconscious beliefs which lie beneath the questions we ask and ways we carry out research, and which shape the kind of conclusions which emerge from our investigations. Positivist researchers prefer hard data like numbers and facts. Interpretivists prefer people's experiences, beliefs and perceptions. So, different researchers working in different paradigms might approach the same research question in very different ways. To answer the question, why is the sky blue, a positivist physicist might collect data about how our atmosphere interacts with light from the sun, whereas an interpretivist anthropologist might collect data about different cultures' creation myths. The different approaches would produce very different answers, but both would be true in their own way. Positivist approaches are associated with research which involves evaluating the effectiveness of particular practices, determining cause and effect, or comparing one situation with another. Interpretivist approaches are associated with research which involves investigating everyday actions in classrooms, in-depth investigation of particular cases, or exploring issues from varied perspectives. In the end, you may draw from both paradigms, combining firm data with interpretation of experiences. Whatever standpoint you use, you need to be able to explain and justify it. So keep paradigms in mind when choosing your methodology.
Created using Powtoon.